For our program, which is business analytics, the entire program is based on hands-on and experiential learning. And this learning is very different from what you would otherwise get from a theory-based learning, right? And today, industry is increasingly looking for students who have hands-on practical experience, as opposed to yesteryears when students used to have just theoretical knowledge. So the students hit the ground running, and this will help them majorly into making a breakthrough in the industry. Chandigarh University, in any case, is very well established brand name in the industry when it comes to recruitment, and with the kind of pedagogy and experiential learning that they are offering to their students in Lucknow campus, I don't think students are going to have any challenge at all in breaking through industry, but in fact, they would be ahead of their peers when it comes to job prospects and career prospects.